Coast to Coast DJs.
Coast to coast, baby, we doing it real big. I got Slime Time in the building. What's up, baby?
You know what it is, mama. We in here, Coast to Coast Live, you know what I'm saying? Atlanta, Georgia. Getting it in like a real artist supposed to.
That's what I'm talking about. Where you repping from?
Duval County, Jacksonville, Florida, if you don't know what it is, you know what I'm saying? 904, we in here.
All right, so your name is Slime Time. How did you get that name?
Well, it's two parts of that name. You know what I'm saying? Slime come from the hood. You know, Slime Time, that come from my homeboy Big Man. Shout out. Every time he used to come and holler, he be like, Slime Time, you know, so it just kind of stuck and I roll with it. So here we go with that.
I thought you was going to have something to do with Nickelodeon.
That's what everybody want to say, but ain't no Nickelodeon shit going on where I'm from.
Well, tell me about this single you're working on right now.
Well, I actually got a couple of singles right now. I got Weekend and my new single, Rip the Knob Off. There's going to be a host of other things, man. It's just like real crazy for me right now. I done catapulted from mediocre to that dude. So y'all going to be seeing a lot of me in the near future.
Yo, I'm excited. So tonight, Obi Trice is going to be putting it down. What you know about Obi Trice?
Obi Trice? Say that again?
I said, what you know about Obi Trice? You know he going to be performing tonight.
Oh, of course. You know I know about Obi Trice, man. That's Eminem homeboy and all that right there, right? The dude, I mean, I haven't heard his recent shit, but everything I heard Obi he did was big.
All right, so what's next for you? What should we expect to see from you?
I got the Dealer's Choice Reloaded coming up, you know what I'm saying? That's going to be all my new tracks, everything just like super crucial. I got my single on about 6 mixtapes already this month. I just dropped it 2 weeks ago, so Rip the Knob Off, that's like the hottest thing in the streets right now. Check that out.
I'm loving it. What's your affiliation with Coast to Coast?
Actually, I know Lil Bass and all them boys on Team Bigger Ranking, that's who I roll with, so, you know, all the coalitions in here right now, you know what I'm saying? Core DJs, Street Connect, you name them, they all, you know what I'm saying, they all kind of intertwined. And, you know, they all embrace me like family, so.
So you got the squad lifting you up, huh?
Man, it's politically unfair for y'all, you know what I'm saying?
Politically incorrect.
Boy, it ain't what you know, it's who you know.
Well, that's what's popping. Go ahead and shout out Joe Peoples, man.
Man, shout out Team Bigger Ranking, all the cool running DJs. Fats and his whole mob, you know what I'm saying, coast to coast in here. Galactic Music Mafia, my little soldiers, you know what I'm saying, Jitterbug Thugs, y'all know what it is. The whole Duval County, the FLA, you know what it is, man. We repping the hill. Galactic, baby.
Slime Time. That's how we doing it. Thank you so much.
Man, AKA Slizzle. Know that.
I'm loving it. Coast to coast, baby. Cypher 360 show. We'll be right back.